Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Science Online class. Today we will discuss the topic the renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Students, now look at all these pictures. This is a sun, this is wind, and this is water dam, the water. So the sun, wind, water are called as renewable resources. Because the sun is a source of light energy. Plants use sunlight for preparing the food and we use solar energy for various purposes. But anyway, the sunlight not decreases when we use it continuously. This is a windmill. The windmill get energy from the wind and generate electricity. And we use air. We get oxygen from the air. So, the wind is one of the renewable resources. When we use it continuously, it won't decrease us. So, it is a renewable resources. Okay. The next one is water dam. See, the water is stored in the water dam during the rainy season. And this water is used for agriculture and for many purposes. So, this water is again replaced or filled in the water dam naturally by the rain. So, it is one of the renewable resources. Because its level won't decrease. So, renewable resources of energy are replaced naturally over a period of time and we can keep using these resources for a long period of time. So, they are called as renewable resources. Resources means the source of supply. Renewable resources means these resources can be replaced naturally. Example, sun. We can use the sunlight continuously. Next, the wind is one of the renewable resource. We can use it continuously. And water is one of the renewable resources. We can use it continuously, but its level won't decrease. So, they are the renewable resources. Students, the next one is non-renewable resources. Look at all these pictures. All these are non-renewable resources. See, this is a petroleum well. The petrol is pumped from this well. The petrol is used to run vehicles. If you use the petrol continuously, the level of petrol will decreases. So, it is a non-renewable resources. Okay. And also, we cannot get back again. Now look at this picture. This is a coal. When we burn the coal, it releases energy. That energy is used to run vehicles like train. And also the coal is used in thermal power station. When we use it continuously, the level is decreases. So it is one of the non-renewable resources. Now look at this picture. This is a gas cylinder. We use the cylinder in our home. Once it's used, we cannot get back again. So, it is one of the non-renewable resources. So, resources which are not easily replaced once used are called as non-renewable resources. Example, petrol, coal, natural gas. So, if we use them continuously, their level will decrease. So, we should use them carefully because once it's used, we cannot get back again. The level also decreases. So, these resources are not easily replaced once. So, we should use them carefully. So, these resources are called as the non-renewable resources. Example, petrol, coal and natural gas. So, students, the resources can be classified into renewable resources and non-renewable resources. The renewable sources of energy are replaced naturally. The examples of the renewable resources are sun, wind and water are the renewable resources. Petrol, coal, natural gas are the non-renewable resources because which are not easily replaced once used.